Happy Tuesday, Athens and North Georgia. I'm student meteorologist Emily Kirk here with today's North Georgia weather forecast. As we look at our current temperatures right now, we are in the 90s, 95 there in Augusta, and it's only going to get warmer. Why is it so warm right now? We do have this high pressure ridge over the eastern part of the United States, just keeping us so very warm. There's a low pressure system towards our west, bringing them some rain and a little bit cooler temperatures, but this high pressure system isn't budging right now and it's keeping that rain away. Now our high today is going to be 99 degrees. We may even see 100 here in Athens, and some other places in North Georgia will be sunny and we'll have some calm winds. Now we are about to be in a heat advisory within the next hour, and that means our heat index values can be up to 107 degrees. Heat index values are the same as your feels like temperatures, so our feels like temperatures are going to be really up there in the upper 100s for some places, especially further south in Georgia. Now we're expecting this from today at 1 p.m. until Wednesday at 8 p.m. So today and tomorrow, you really want to make sure you're extra careful outside if you have to be outside. Tonight we're going to see a low of 75 degrees. Will be partly cloudy, so we're not really going to see that much of a respite from that heat tonight. And then tomorrow we're going to heat back up all the way to 97 degrees here in Athens. We'll be in the upper 90s for our surrounding areas. We're going to be just a little bit cooler tomorrow because we're going to see some scattered thunderstorms move through our area throughout the evening, and I'll take you through that in just a moment. But right now I want to delve back into that heat index forecast. For today, we're going to see a heat index of 104 degrees, or feels like temperature 104 degrees. You're using extreme caution if you have to be outside. And Wednesday as well, 103 degrees. We do taper off a little bit to be just a little bit cooler. It's still going to be warm, but it's not going to be, that really extreme heat that we're expecting today and tomorrow. Now, when you're outside, you want to be aware of the heat dangers of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. If you're experiencing these symptoms right here, that means you are experiencing heat exhaustion, and you want to make sure you're getting to a cool place, you're drinking water, and you're starting to cool down, because that can turn into heat stroke. Any of these symptoms, even just the red hot dry skin, you want to call 911 because you're experiencing heat stroke, and that can lead to death. So you want to make sure that you're monitoring anybody that you're outside with, especially young children, older adults, or people with chronic conditions, because they can be more disposed to heat exhaustion or heat stroke. Now once we get through the heat, we're going to see some rain come through. Today we might see a shower here and there, 7:30 around Atlanta and a little bit west of Atlanta. Then not so much rain for the evening, the morning. Wednesday, 7 a.m., we've got some clouds. And then as we go through the rest of the day on Wednesday, around 6:30 p.m., that's when we start to see that rain come in. Then 8:30, it really starts to blow up. We've got some rain south of Athens, and then there around Atlanta. It will lose some of its intensity into the night hours of Wednesday. Now, are we going to see a change from this heat? We are going to see a little bit of a decrease in those high temperatures throughout the rest of the week. Thursday, we're going to see 93, and then a little bit of a downward trend into the weekend. We are going to see those rain chances continue to increase throughout the weekend as well. So the heat is almost done for now, as our first heat wave in June is in full effect. So you want to make sure that you're staying cool, you're staying safe, and go dogs.